Hi, George Smith here from MarineMax, Stuart, Florida. I wanted to walk you through the 29 outboard today. She comes with two twin 250s, Mercuries of course. So let's have a look at the boat. As you can see, there's plenty of room throughout the boat for seating. This is the stern of the boat. Nice swim platform, a ladder that drops down on the side. It's got a cockpit table that just drops right in here. All these seats lift up for storage. The boat holds 14 people. Sea Ray has a lifetime hull warranty, 5 years from bow to stern, and a 5-year engine warranty, which is really great. So here's the rest of the boat: refrigerator, sink, charger, remote stereo, loaded up boat, boarding step on the side, place for shade, enclosed head over here, plenty of storage up through the floors. All these hatches lift up. Nice big GPS plotter system. The boat is available with joystick docking. This particular one does not have that option. And here, as you can see, the windlass on the boat and plenty of seating up on the bow. Snap-in carpet, also another spot for the bow table. This boat performs excellent. Would love to show it to you. Just contact me, George Smith, MarineMax Stuart, 908-675-6746.